The Dragonhawk company creates a lot of professional equipment for tattoo and permanent makeup artists. Today we are going to talk about simple and cheap tattoo machine is Dragonhawk S11. Let's go! This is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose professional equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. My channel has a lot of video reviews about the Dragonhawk's equipment and information about the company. Therefore, I'm starting with the packaging. In front of me is a black and green box with the green Dragonhawk logo. That's all information on the box. Let's look inside. Inside, instruction in several languages. The second box with an RCA clip cord and the Dragonhawk S11. The body is a standard and classical form. Also, it has the company logo. Length is 120 mm. First impression, pen is a little heavy. In the technical characteristics, the machine weight is 148 grams. Of course, we will check it on the scales. On the scales, the machine weight is 148 grams. This pen has a classical form factor, but in my opinion, it's a little heavy, especially for beginner artists, and has a bad balance. The upper part of the body is heavier and outweighs in the hand. The Dragonhawk S11 has only one color, is black. Its price is about $50–70. Grip diameter is 27 mm, but near a cartridge is 22 mm. We have to sterilize the grip, but the company Dragonhawk doesn't give any information about sterilization their equipment. Based on my experience, it can be disinfectant and autoclave. The high temperature sterilizer box is prohibited. The high temperatures can cause deformation of the grip after sterilization. The needle stroke is 3.5 mm. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo machine is hybrid. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip with fixing clicks. For good flow pigments, I recommend the needle protrusion of this tattoo pen of up to 3 or 3.2 mm. Operating voltage in the instruction is from 5 to 12 volts, but the Dragonhawk S11 can turn on from 4 volts. So this device can work with different permanent makeup and I think many tattoo techniques. This tattoo pen compatible with many cartridges from famous companies and can work with various power supplies, but I prefer power supply with current strength from 2 amperes. Let's turn it on. I'm going to work with Dragonhawk power supply, my working voltage 5. Let's go. During the work, the tattoo machine is giving a more comfortable vibration than the Dragonhawk S6, for example. Work is good for price is about from $50 to $70. Well, let's sum up our video review, guys. The Dragonhawk S11 is from Chinese company with a history. In my opinion, this tattoo machine is a little heavy and has a bad balance, especially for beginner artists. This device can work with different permanent makeup and mini tattoo techniques. The Dragonhawk S11 has a more comfortable vibration than the Dragonhawk S6, for example. This pen is for artists who don't have a lot budget at the start, but you will need to get used to the weight and balance. See you later.